This is just another way to microwave bacon for a sandwich. Take a paper plate. I use some pages out of the phone book, and I take six half slices of bacon, put them on there. The purpose for that, I don't waste near so many paper towels. This was actually 3.5 minutes in the microwave. Came out nice and crispy. While that was cooking, I took a hot dog bun, put a little butter on it, put some mild cheddar on it, put in a 1200 watt microwave for 15 seconds to soften the cheese. So now, as the culinary people say, I'm assembling the sandwich. Putting the thing together and getting ready to eat it. There is the finished product. There it is. A bacon and cheese sandwich on a hot dog bun. Fine gourmet dining. So this is just another way to microwave bacon for whatever purpose.